Good morning, children. We have already learned how to write the number names of 8 digits in Now we are going to learn how to write the number names in international system. International system is nothing but the place value chart used by many countries in the world. That is, internationally we use a system of numeration, that is international system. Indian system of numeration is we use only in our country India. So let us see how do we read the numbers in international system. Here is a number of 9 digits, and the places in the international system are, and I'll explain now, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Until 5 digits, there is no difference in the Indian and international system of numeration. The places are same both in Indian and international system. Coming to the 6th digit or here, after 10,000, we have 100,000s. Next comes millions. That means we have 3 digits in the thousands period, but in Indian system we have only 2 digits in the thousands period. Immediately the period changes. But here, after 3 digits, the period changes. There is 100,000s in the Indian's international system. Next comes millions. Millions also it has three places: millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Next comes billions. But we have after thousands 2 digits, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Only 2 digits in each period after one's period. Next comes crores. So that is the difference between international and Indian system. In the international system, for every 3 digits we insert a comma and the period changes for every 3 digits. But in the international system, in the Indian system, only one period has 3 digits, remaining periods have only 2 digits. For every 2 digits the period changes. Now here 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. See here, 1 lakh equals to 100,000s. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000s in international system, and 1 million equals to 10 lakhs. 1 million equals to 10 lakhs. Next, 10 millions. 1 crore equals to 10 millions. And 10 crores equals to 100 millions. This is the conversion of Indian to international. 1 lakh equals to 100,000s, and 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs, or 10 lakhs equals to 1 million, and 1 crore equals to 10 millions. 10 crore equals to 100 millions. Just follow the place value chart. You can easily get them. Now, here is a number. We shall read this number in international system and write its number name also. So, the first thing is insert a comma after every 3 digits, because in the international system every period has 3 digits. Now, according to the place value chart, 356, it is in the millions period. So 356 millions. Just read the digits together in each period and write 356. 356 millions 'Next period is thousands period. Read the digits together. 724,000. 724,000 198. It's very easy to read this number if you know the places according to the periods. Insert the comma after each three digits and read it according to the periods or places. 356,724,198. Each period has three digits in the international system. One more number. In international system, number name in international system, put a comma after each three digits. Now write the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions. Only there are two digits are given in the millions period. Read these two digits together after comma. 54 millions. 54 millions. 305,000. 897. By seeing the commas itself, we can identify whether the number is in international system or Indian system. In this way, you can write the number names in international system. Rewrite the number in Indian system. Indian system or Indian place value chart. According to place value chart means Indian system with the number name. This is in international system. We can say that commas are inserted in the thousands period after three digits. It is international system. Now we have to change it into the Indian system. hundred thousands, millions. Millions comes after hundred thousands. HTH. Now we have to change it into Indian system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s comes lakhs, 10 lakhs. After 2 digits in the thousands period, we have to insert a comma here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Next comes lakhs, 10 lakhs. Now we have to write the number name in Indian system. How do you write it? This is Indian system and this is international system. International system, commas are kept after 3 digits. Here after 2 digits in the thousands period. How do you read it? Read the digits together here. 56 lakhs in Indian system. 56 lakhs 35,000 740. Just change the commas according to the Indian place value chart and read the number name according to its places and write the number name. Now this is 5,635,740. In this way, we can write the a number from international system to Indian and Indian to international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions. It is in international system. And how do we read it? 92,408,316. Let us change it into Indian system now. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, comma, 10,000s, 100,000s, 10,000s, 10,000s, comma, TTH, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. This is, we have just changed the commas and written the places according to the Indian system or Indian place value chart. Now, how do we read and write it? 9 crores 24 lakhs 8,316 according to the place values. 9 crores 24 lakhs Karthik, is it visible? 24 lakhs 8,000 316. So, it is very easy to change a number from the international system to Indian system if you know the places in both the systems. Now write the numeral. $26 lakh 5,000 400. So as it is 26 lakhs, we can say that it is an Indian system. So write the places like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 26 lakhs in the lakhs period, 5,000, 0 in the 10,000, 5 in the thousands period, 400. It's very easy to write the numeral for this. $34 millions 650,000 28. As there are millions in this, we can say that it is an international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, millions, 10 millions. So 34 millions in the millions period, and 600 and hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, TTH. $650,000 in the thousands period, and 28. 0 in the hundreds, please. 2 in the tens, 8 in the ones. So you can write the number name like this: 462,000 and 300 and 57. So 462,000, that means there are 3 digits in the thousands period. It is an international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. 462,357. So in this way you can write the number names, numerals for the given number names. So first you have to identify whether the number name is in Indian system or international system. This is Indian, international, international. According to the places and commas, You can easily identify whether the number is in international or Indian system. So the exercise is given in page number 19 in your textbook. You can complete it. Thank you.